We now focus on the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak in Europe, Italy. Italy recorded its worst daily death toll, with 368 being reported in the last 24 hours alone. The death toll in the worst affected country outside of China now stands at a whopping 1,809. Italy now has a total of 24,747 infected cases. The worst hit region in Italy is the northern Lombardy province, home to the country's business and fashion hub, Milan. Lombardy has recorded 1,218 of the total deaths in the country. The region of 10 million people also has more than 13,200 cases being reported. An edition of Lombardy's newspaper showed the impact of the virus in the region. The number of obituary pages jumped from 2 to almost 10 in just a few weeks. Meanwhile, leaders have warned that the country could soon face a shortage of beds and artificial respirators. Italy's healthcare system is already reeling under the sudden influx of patients. With essential supplies running out, Milan managed to avert a growing shortage by securing shipments of surgical masks from China. The European Commission also announced the delivery of 1 million masks to Italy from Germany. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte has said that his government was paying maximum attention to the situation in the northern part of the country. The government is all set to unveil a new crisis plan that includes family relief measures such as parental leave pay and help for the self-employed. The country continues to reel under a complete lockdown as the number of cases continues to rise, and streets across Italy resembled ghost towns after the government imposed an unprecedented series of controls banning all public gatherings. Italians showed their resilience by coming together from their balconies to be part of a Light Up Italy flash mob. Quarantined Italians took to their windows and balconies across the country to wave lights and cheer. The residents of capital Rome also lit candles at their windows to beat the social isolation.
Now see.
Meanwhile, Pope Francis left Vatican City to pray at a cathedral in Rome. The Vatican also took the drastic step of cancelling Easter week celebrations that were set to begin on the 5th of April. Easter services will be held without the public for the very first time. The Pope prayed at the St. Marcello Church, which has a crucifix from the times of the Great Plague. A Vatican statement said that he prayed for an end to the pandemic and also for the sick, their families, and health providers amidst a national lockdown.